I think I was letting him ventilate, but I think eventually what it comes to is that at the time when we have the committee of the whole, he'll probably be able to move some amendments or suggest amendments to it. That's how it came to me. That there are some aspects, the bills are similar, but there are some aspects that are not incorporated in this current bill that are in your bill.
Yes.
So I was going to get there, but I think we can proceed.
Thank you, my senior and speaker. Both of you are learned friends. I'm learning a lot from you. And I don't want to add or remove anything from what you have said. I'll just proceed. And thank you so much for the support you have given me. You know, I got a boost because of this bill. Getting a bill to reach third reading in this house is a real problem. Madam Speaker, I started that my bill in my first term, first month in Parliament. We ended up finishing the 12th Parliament without concluding it. In this 13th Parliament, it is almost 3 years I've been talking about this bill each and every day, each and every week. So members, to summarize, because I know many want to contribute to this particular bill, is that this bill is very important. And it is important, but mine is more important because it's a progressive one. Therefore, if we want to solve a gap which was there in the previous bill, because the previous bill which was sponsored in this house by the late Honorable Joyce Laboso was very good, but it was never implemented. The ministry took over the bill and they promised the parliament that they are going to enhance it, but they never did it almost 10 years after the death of Joyce Laboso. That's why my bill delayed. Now what I'm asking is that we must legislate on bills which will serve the current generation and generation to come, and it is for prosperity. In that regard, as you have ably advised me, in the third reading, we'll have to merge these two bills and come up with a bill which will support our people. Madam Speaker, on the issue of NGCDF, NGCDF is the lifeline of Kenyans. If you want a devolved function, money which the people of Kenya are enjoying is NGCDF. In Suna West constituency alone, I've done 4 police stations. I've done 4 ACC's offices. I've done the ACC office. I've done anti-stock theft. I've built 27 new schools, 23 primary and 4 new girls secondary schools using CDF. 1,200 people who are enjoying the insurance cover, NHIF, using NCDF money. 500 students are fully sponsored in Suna West using NGCDF money. Madam Speaker, we can kill any other fund, but we need to increase allocation for NGCDF, and it should be timely. The first allocation which the Treasury need to do is NCDF, even before paying salary. NCDF should be released because it reaches all the 290 constituencies in Kenya are enjoying the fruits of NGCDF. Madam Speaker, having said that, as a country, we need to put our priority right. And as a researcher, I know when you have operated with an item for over 10 years, we need to relook into our constitution so that where the drafters erred or where there were gap can be corrected so that Kenyan people can enjoy. I'm an aspirant I'm going to be a governor of Migori in 2027. But the truth of the matter is, as it stands, the people cannot enjoy the fruits of devolution. Many people died, including Dr. Odhiambo Mbai. But now their families and generation are not enjoying the fruits of devolution because of the gaps in the constitution. Madam Speaker, you remember I'm the last mayor of Migori. I operated with the Local Government Act, Cap 264.
Okay, you can let's give him a minute.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. You know, there are very few mayors in this town. His Lordship, the mayor. I'm very few, like now I'm the only one here. If you can look, the money, the project we started with the Latif, which was only 57 million per municipality. They are the project now, the county, especially on the health sectors. All the health centers started by Municipal Council of Migori are the ones still existing today. Therefore, Madam Speaker, as we move on, as we legislate, let us not also introspect ourselves on what must be done so that the Kenyan population can enjoy the fruits of paying their taxes. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thank you, Member for Endebess. And members who want to contribute to this, please press